Hello programmers, I am from codespeedy.com. In the previous video we have learned how to install Apache server on our machine, and today in this video we're gonna learn how to create our first PHP file and how to run that. So before going to create our first PHP file, what we need is a text editor to write our PHP file. There are lots of text editor available, but I personally use Sublime Text 3 and I will recommend you to use Sublime as its interface is really looks cool. But you can use anything you like, a Notepad++ or Visual Code, whatever you want. So without wasting time, let's go to the main part. I have started my Apache server and MySQL server. So now you can create your PHP file. I have installed my XAMPP on C drive. Just go to C drive, open XAMPP and then htdocs. Remember, htdocs is our root folder, so whatever folder you will create here will be accessed directly from localhost. Just for example, codespeedy. I have created a folder named codespeedy, so I will open this folder with Sublime Text Editor. This is Sublime Text Editor. Now go to open folder and choose codespeedy. I have forgot to tell about the text editor. The text editor I am using is Sublime Text 3, but you can use your own, whatever you like. So to download Sublime Text 3, just type Sublime Text 3 and hit enter. Here you will find the download link. From here you can download your Sublime Text 3 setup file based on your operating system. I personally use Sublime because its interface is really looks cool. So let's just create our first PHP file. Right click on your folder, create new file and save it as first.php and save it. This is your first PHP file. So how to run it? Just go to localhost, it's htdocs, your root drive, and under htdocs you have created a folder named codespeedy, and under codespeedy we have created our first PHP file named first.php. just hit enter. So this is our first PHP file. In the next video we're gonna learn how to echo something or print something on our screen or browser.